Your business is one of a kind, and you want to give your customers a memorable experience every chance you get. That's why our latest round of new features and updates to Kajabi are all designed to give you more flexibility and control over the way your business looks, feels, and sounds to customers. First up, you now have new options to personalize your sales flow. Customize your upsell cancellation text messages, as well as the email opt-in that appears during checkout, so that every piece aligns with your brand voice. We've also added 2 new website templates designed to represent specific niches, one for entrepreneurs in personal development and coaching, and another geared towards the business development and financial spaces. And as always, you can fully customize these templates to fit your own unique business. You'll also see improvements to the page editor you know and love, including new features and a more consistent design process for both landing pages and websites across the entire Kajabi platform. And finally, we're excited to announce that Kajabi now features a brand new audio player, so that you can broaden your appeal to customers and site visitors who prefer to listen instead of watching videos. Whether it's guided meditation tracks, audiobooks, follow-along workouts, or music lessons, audio makes it so much easier for you to create new digital products and get your knowledge to market with lightning speed. Add playable audio files to your website, landing pages, online courses, blog posts, and track what's working with easy-to-use analytics. Each of these features is live inside Kajabi right now, so that you can continue to add value for your customers and grow your business your way.